All right, 421 garden overview. The blueberries are doing awesome. These guys are blowing up, actually. There's twice the buds on them that were when I brought it home, so it's loving that location. All right, I have planted. I've got some of the older plants in the planter box. And I'm starting to, these are my seed pots down here, so as you can see, these are tomato seeds. I'm starting to divide these up, pick through them, and put them in their own individual pots. Not these are cilantro. Jalapenos are late. They have not come in. Just about everything else is starting to come up. Not the jalapeno. All tomatoes up here. Cilantro, a few basils. So far so good. Box is holding up. Got my little poking and prodding garden tools here. Everything seems real happy. Garden update 4/21/2020.